We've made our way to Avalon, which is a city on Catalina Island. And now we're gonna try this place called MDMK Fish House because they have sushi here. So let's go on inside and see what it's like. Sushi and non-sushi alike. Okay, so the appetizer we chose was the bomb shrimp. The bomb, so let's take a look. It's been coated. And I guess I'm gonna try it with the sauce right there. See what it's like. That is a very sweet chili on top. Hard to describe. Maybe kind of like a barbecue sauce on top of their shrimp. The white sauce, I didn't really notice any difference in flavor, but if you like a really sweet shrimp, it's actually a pretty good dish to get. Maybe a slight hint of garlic that I got at the end, but it's not bad. It's an okay appetizer. This is the B-Rock. It's a toasted roll. You see the sushi's coming out like this. Let's try this. A lot of interesting flavors coming through. I can certainly taste the eel sauce, a little bit of spiciness. Tastes like it had a bit of a shrimp in there. Maybe not quite my favorite, but definitely if you like the greens inside, it is a very good roll to have. This one's the rattlesnake. My son probably chose it because of the name, to be honest with you, but let's see. It's got the eel sauce, it's got eel on it, avocado, soft-shelled crab, I think is that what that is. We'll take a look. Or it's maybe shrimp tempura. I think it's shrimp tempura, right? All right, shrimp tempura, eel sauce, avocado, wrapped in rice. Got the creamy avocado. Got a nice crisp crunch to it with that tempura inside. The cucumber is good. You get the eel sauce flavor. This combination really works well together. Sweet and savory, and at the same time, there's a bit of a crunch in there, making a really good flavor combination. Seared ahi tuna salad. So let's try it. Let's see, there's a dressing here as well. I'll pour a little on it. You got edamame, you got some crispy, looks like wontons. That tastes a little. Oh, let me smell that. Oh yes, this has a little wasabi in there. This is a little spicy sauce to go on the salad. We'll try some of the tuna in there with the salad. Let's get it all going. Some tomato. Let's see what this is flavored like. Wasabi soy type dressing really produces a kick, and the tuna is pretty good. A nice crispy crust on the outside. That is that wasabi that really takes the kick out of this thing. This, if you can enjoy the heat, and you have a nice offset with the tuna. A nice little crunch on the outside. It's a little raw, so it's a good flavor as well. And tomatoes, so a nice crunchy salad, a good way to have a meal. And here we have some fish tacos. And these fish tacos are special because we actually got the shark meat inside. It's a thresher shark, is what they said. They said you get to choose your own fish meat that you want. I actually had sea bass. They didn't have it, but he said when I asked the waiter, he said, why don't you go with the shark? So let's try a bit of shark. I'm surely glad we decided to go with this instead of clam chowder. Not because we don't like clam chowder, but the smokiness. The smokiness of that fish, the way it got cooked, along with the pico de gallo and fresh sauce, is a very good flavor. And these fish tacos are a very excellent treat to have after you had a nice day at the beach in Catalina.